This phenomenon is a single reality, and life and knowledge are one reality. The world of life and the world of revelation, spiritual world, are essentially one. In other words, the world of revelation can be called the world of life. This truth is ancient, and man has always been aware of this fact. Throughout history, he has observed this and has strived to understand it, and he was commanded to make this understanding known. In this context, pure and refined thinkers have made their knowledge subservient to this world of knowledge. Therefore, the habit and tradition here is that both lead to the same end. Both serve the same purpose, and the two are closely interrelated in meaning and purpose. This is the truth that has been accepted by all wise and intelligent people, and they are convinced that the existing order and the existing knowledge serve each other mutually. The order of life is drawn towards the direction of the spirit, and it achieves stability by following this inclination. These are the inner meanings and essence of the commands of Sharia that lead to the recognition of that essence. The essence of the commands given by God has a specific connection and relationship with this world of spiritual beings. A person knowledgeable in spirituality can understand and benefit from these realities. However, only those who are specially enlightened can reach this understanding and recognize the significance of spiritual commands. The spirit and wisdom that exists in these commands are essentially a part of the hidden and unique spiritual order that influences and regulates the outer physical world. When this hidden order is exposed or made apparent to someone, he perceives the connection and balance between the two realms. For example, a person who gains insight into the essence of fasting realizes it is not merely abstaining from food and drink, but a purification of both body and soul. Such a person has traversed both realms. He understands the outer practice and the inner wisdom that links to divine nearness. This wisdom of divine commands, through its connection with spiritual beings and hidden knowledge, is a means for true believers and spiritual seekers to find inner enlightenment and true understanding. This divine enlightenment brings clarity to the seeker's heart and mind, guiding them towards spiritual completeness. In this state, the seeker sees the divine light reflected in all aspects of existence, with clarity and spiritual purpose. Indeed, the world that is connected to knowledge and wisdom exists in a unique way. When the light of knowledge and wisdom is cast upon it, this hidden world is revealed. However, the way it is observed is through the perspective of the individual's own capacity. It is said that everything in this world holds the potential for a particular form and meaning, which emerges according to its nature. The forms we observe in the outer world are influenced by the true essence of that hidden world, which reveals itself in various shapes and colors. This is because that hidden world is where the true essence of all things resides, and it connects to the outer forms in our visible world. That world is like a mirror for the seeker of truth, showing them the reality beyond the physical. However, one must recognize that this mirror is subtle, without the density of physical form. Its essence remains the same, yet the way it manifests can change depending on the observer's spiritual insight.